Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. A few weeks ago, my husband and I packed all of our belongings, placed them in storage, got in a car, and went on our big road trip around the USA. This video shows our second stop in North Carolina, visiting friends that just moved here. And this turns out to be such a hospitable stay, with a lot of good food, outdoor walks, and other fun activities. Let's see the video. North Carolina, part 2.
Отлично! О, я видишь, на барабанах играет. А у него улыбка, конечно. О, Алмаз! Very good!
Most important button that you should never forget, under any circumstance, no matter what it is you are doing, is going to be your home button. It did, in fact.
Hello!
Hey, hey.
Zap!
That's his favorite.
И пустой бар.
Я тоже очень рад, что вы приехали. Вот видите, мне очень здорово, поэтому приезжайте еще. Давай, Игорек!
Thank you for watching this video. In the next episode of this series, we will be visiting our nation's capital, and also it will be my first time going to work during this trip. I will see you in the next video.